My name is Bo Miguez. Join me as I discover the stories and purpose behind the best businesses in Shreveport, Bossier. This is Blue Coat Interviews. Shreveport Bossier, Bo here, another Blue Coat interview. Locals love us. Here with Tara Rodgers with Goldwater Bank. Tara, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Thank you for taking the time with me this morning, Tara, just to come in and sit down and really talk about the mortgage business. First, I want to start, how did you get in the mortgage business?
I've been in the business about 16 years. It just kind of happened upon, I was moving back to the Shreveport area, and it was going to be just a transition job, and I love it. 16 years later, I love it.
Buying a house is the number one, probably most large purchase that someone would make. So choosing a mortgage person or company is important in the purchasing process. So talk to me a little bit about that process. Like, what do you guys do for buyers? You started, from the pre-application on.
So there's so many different mortgage companies in town, and honestly, we all have the same products. I mean, there's not like my FHA program is really any different from someone else's. The difference is the product knowledge, the experience, knowing the guidelines, knowing how to get the deal closed. We have a great success rate here for submitting files to underwriting and get them closed. Every file that we submitted to underwriting last year closed. There's no throwing it on the wall, hoping it sticks. I mean, we know when we give an approval that our approval is golden.
So what does someone like a buyer need to be prepared for in the pre-application or pre-approval process?
So when someone calls, we can either do their application online or we can do it over the phone, just kind of whatever's easier for them. Typically, we get basic income documents, pay stubs, W-2s, tax returns, bank statements, and then we just kind of go from there. We have several different products that we can offer, and we find the one that's best for the client. It's not so much what's easiest for us, it's what truly is better, a better deal for the client. So we go through it with them and get them prepared to purchase. If they don't qualify right now, we put them on the track to purchase later. We definitely have a client for life theory here, where if we can't help you right now, we want to get you on track to help you later, or if we do help you, call us back in a couple of years when you're ready to buy again.
Let's talk about maybe first-time buyer stuff. Is there some incentive? I know there's some first-time buyer programs out there. There's some rural development with a lot, some stuff in our area qualifies for. Just talk to me a little bit about that.
Correct. Rural development is a 100% loan program that a lot of people do around here just because of the community we live in, that they can do the 100% financing. We also do a lot of FHA loans, which require just 3.5% down. So it's not a huge out-of-pocket expense for the buyer. And the program also allows for gift funds. So if you've got a generous family member that wants to help you get out, get into a new home, or you're getting married and you have gift funds coming in, that's a great way to do so. And then also we do a whole lot of VA loans here. With being so close to Barksdale, VA is 100% financing, and you can use your eligibility over and over. So a lot of times people are using the VA loans in this area.
Talk to me a little bit about, I know that there's some issues that could arise when someone gets qualified, picks a home, and they're ready to move into it. Talk to me a little bit about some issues that could arise with purchases beyond maybe what they need to do.
So the do not do's.
Okay.
If you're buying a house, you do not want to change jobs, you don't want to change employment, you don't want to get married, change your marital status, and you don't want to purchase any big ticket items. You don't want to go furniture shopping, car shopping, appliances, nothing, while you're doing the loan. And if something does come up, sometimes there are issues or instances where you get a promotion. Let us know. Talk to your loan officer and let them know what's going on. That way we can make sure there's no delays or hiccups at the end.
If there's one thing about your business that you wish the community knew but may not know, what would that be?
I think just our desire to help people. I love what I do because I get to work with clients every day. You're part of their biggest transaction that they make. As I said about the clients for life, I've done loans for people, probably 4 different transactions, their aunts, their uncles, their parents, and then I'm talking to somebody's kid right now that, and that's the neat part of it, is that you get to continually help people and make sure they get the best program for them.
Anything else about the mortgage business that you think the community might need to know?
Just renting is so much more expensive than actually owning the house majority of the time. I think people don't realize they can buy when they can qualify. You know, they just think that, oh, well, I'll never be able to purchase a house, and that's really not true. I just encourage people that if they haven't owned a home before, give us a call. It's absolutely a free quote. You're not out anything if you don't, you know, want to buy a house, but just see where you stand, because a lot of times it is neat where people can buy a house in the same neighborhood they're renting and their note's $300 cheaper. You know, it's really a neat feeling.
Wow, that's so guys, I mean, definitely if you're renting or have ever considered buying a house, definitely give Tara at Goldwater a call. And Tara, thank you again for sitting down with me today. I think this is very good information for the community. And guys, just give them a call. You can always go to localsloveus.com. You know, go to mortgage companies there. Tara's information, Goldwater Bank, is on there. It's got direct links to her website, her Facebook page. You know, you can contact her directly, phone number, email, or you know, you could just search Goldwater Bank Shreveport as well. So, Tara, thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.